Good morning, students. As we are doing the chapter physical quantities and measurement, so now we are going to start with measurement of mass. As you have done measuring tape and that's measuring instruments in the previous lecture from Shikha ma'am. So now what is measurement of mass? Measurement of mass is the mass of a body is the quantity of matter contained in it, that how much matter is there in that quantity. For example, you are having one box. Okay, I am having this one teddy bear. Now what is the mass of this teddy bear? That how much matter contained in it. It's heavy, it's less in weight, less, it's heavy or not heavy. So how much weight it contained, how much matter it contained, that is what mass. So now the next we are having unit of mass. So now what is unit of mass? Bacha, the SI unit of mass is what? kg, that is kilogram. The SI unit of mass is kg. Now how we will define it? Very first time when they come to know about mass, so they define it. How they define it? For example, all of you are having alphabets in English like A, B, C. Someone define it. So now how they define mass? The mass SI unit kilogram. The researchers are doing and you can say research at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris. Open your book, beta. The definition written there in your book, that is 1889, 1 kilogram was defined as the mass of cylinder of platinum iridium alloy. Now what is platinum iridium alloy? Now bacha, what is platinum iridium alloy? First of all, what is alloy? Alloy is a mixture of 2 or 3 metals. What it is? Mixture of 2 or 3 metals. So platinum and iridium are different metals. We take one cylinder which is made of this alloy. Like you are using steel glasses at home. That steel glasses are what? They are alloy. They are mixtures of what? Metals. So now here a cylindrical form platinum iridium alloy we are having, and that cylinder mass defined as 1 किलोग्राम. उन्होंने कोई भी एक क्या लिया? सिलेंडर लिया और बता दिया कि अगर इतना मास होगा तो वो क्या होगा? 1 किलोग्राम के इक्वल होगा. और वो सबसे पहले उन्होंने किसकी हेल्प से लिया? विद द यूज ऑफ platinum iridium alloy. However, at the present, the mass of 1 liter, what they are saying? 1 liter is equal to how much? 100 ml of water at 4 degrees centigrade. 1000 is equal of 100 ml of 1000 ml of water at 4 degrees centigrade. Now beta, why we are mentioning here 4 degrees centigrade? Because there are some special conditions of water that we will study in future, that how water behaves at 0 degree and 4 degree. So that's why they mention here what? 4 degree centigrade. Now I am repeating it again for all of you. Now let's read from your book what they are saying. The mass of body is the quantity of matter contained in it. I already show you one object, that teddy bear, that it's heavy or it's not heavy. How much matter, how much substance in it is, so that is defined as mass. So the unit of mass is what? SI unit is kg. So the platinum iridium alloy they have used for a definition. What is the definition? In 1889, 1 kilogram was defined as the mass of cylinder of platinum iridium alloy kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris. Okay, so how they define mass in present time? What we say, that mass of 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to how much? 1000 ml. The mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees Celsius is taken as 1 kilogram. Bacha, either from your book you can do this definition of mass. The mass of 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml of water at 4 degrees Celsius is taken as 1 kilogram, or the above definition. Any one definition you can learn.